Okay, welcome back guys. We're going to be solving another question in today's video, and we have 2 to the power x plus 1 minus 3 to the 2x is equal to 0, and we have to solve this equation for x. So we can see that the x, or our unknown, is in the exponent, so we're just going to bring the 3 to the 2x on the right side of the equation. So if it goes on the other side, the negative sign will turn into a positive sign. So we have 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the 2x. And from the laws of the exponent, we know when we have a to the b times a to the c, this will be equal to a to the b plus c. And here in this exponent, we have b plus c, so we're going to use that one in here. We'll have 2 to the x times 2 to the 1. And on the right side, we have 3 to the 2x. So we're going to divide 2 to the x on each side of the equation. So on the left side, we have 2x times 2 over 2 to the x, and we know for a fact that 2 to the x cannot be 0, so it's not going to make our denominator 0. Here we have 3 to the 2x over 2 to the x, and on the left side we'll end up with 2 is equal to 3 to the 2x over 2 to the power of x. And another laws of the exponent, when we have a to the power of bc, this can be written as a to the b to the power of c, or it can be written as a to the c to the power of cb. So basically these two are interchangeable. So here, instead of 3 to the 2x, we can write it down as 3 to the 2 to the power of x. And here we have 2 to the x, and we know 3 squared is 9, so basically we have 9 to the x over 2 to the x. And we know when we have a to the b divided by c to the b, so basically same exponent, this can be written as a over c to the b. So now we have the same exponent here too. So our 2 will be equal to 9 over 2 all to the power of x. Now we have our x in the exponent, and we can do our logarithm on each side of the equation. So basically on the left side, we have log of 2 is equal to log of 9 over 2 to the power of x. And from the laws of the logarithm, we know when we have log of a to the power of b, the b can go in the back of the log, so will be equal to b times log of a. So this x in here can go in the back, so we have log of 2 is equal to x times log of 9 over 2. And from the laws of the logarithm, we know when we have log of a over b, this will be equal to log of a minus log of b. So log of 2 will be equal to x times log of 9 minus log of 2, and we can divide each side of the equation by log of 2 in here. So if we divide each side by log of 2, we have 1 is equal to x times log of 9 over log of 2 minus 1. And another law of logarithm, we know when we have log of a over log of b, this will be equal to log base b of a. So here our 1 will be equal to x times log base 2 of 9 minus 1. So basically we can find our x in here, 1 over log base 2 of 9 minus 1, and this would be the final answer for this question. So obviously in the last format of the final answer, we can go with different ways. We can simply just divide 9 by 2 in here and just report this as 4.5 and find the logarithm of 4.5 using a calculator, or we can go the way we did in here. Both work, and there are way more solutions to this. And let me know if you have any better solution to solve this, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.